Hi, Kriegsspielers. This is Paul LaFontaine, known online as Umpire LaFondiose. We've previously looked at two constraints that we have to respect in order to create a great in-person Kriegsspiel. One is the 10-minute turn. The other is the number of command tables per umpire. If in order to protect the 10-minute turn, we assign each umpire 2 command tables, the logical conclusion is that we grow the size of the forces in a scenario by adding umpires. What is the limit on the number of umpires that can run a game from one umpire map? If we review the umpire activity during a turn, we remember that half the umpire time is spent at the table with players and the other half is at the umpire map. When all the umpires are at the map at the same time, we have found another constraint. I had a chance to assist an umpire for Dr. James Sterrett, a grandmaster of Kriegsspiel. He does this not only in a social environment, as we were in when we played, but he does it for a living. He's very good at it. He plays with 1 command table per umpire, and as a result, he had a lot of assistants. He sat at a map and handled 5 of us. There were 6 umpires in total. When it came time for a resolution, assistant umpires were lined up at his table like children at an ice cream truck. He handled all of it. And he is a top-level umpire, and we were all hustling with 5 assistants. Take heed of that observation. As part of our umpire process, we want to let all the umpires hear the resolution details as the lead umpire creates the resolution. This makes it more fun for the assistant umpires because they can see the action unfold, but also it gives them additional context for what's happening so that when they go back to the command tables, they can give additional color to the different questions that the players may ask. For example, if a player asks about what else they can see on the map, the umpire can add details like a dust cloud to the north because he's heard the total resolution and knows there's movement and activity to the north of that player's position. This makes for a better player experience. How can umpires listen to the total resolution? By standing over the map. This limits the number of assistant umpires based solely on the amount of room at the table. 4 umpires, including the lead, are a reasonable number to be at the umpire table. In our model, the umpires return to the table after hearing orders in order to move pieces on the umpire map. Having more than 4 umpires there is impractical. With 4, the umpires can gather 2 at a time, quickly move the pieces, and then get out of the way. Going over 4 umpires or having more than 4 umpires at a time in live play starts to inhibit the benefits of 2 command tables per umpire and imperils the 10-minute turn timing. Let's pull our ingredients together. 2 to 4 umpires on 1 umpire map means we can keep the action flowing while keeping all umpires informed of the resolutions. Having umpires, to include the lead umpire, each manage 2 command tables gives us up to 8 command tables in a scenario. This gives us enough scope to offer larger and more complex battles and keeps the game tempo fast enough for great play. Balancing command stations per umpire and the practical number of umpires that can collaborate on the main map gives us the best ingredients to protect turn timing and deliver a balanced, enjoyable Kriegsspiel that is just right.